everybody, welcome. In today's class, I will show you exactly how you can target, and how you can identify liquidity in the market. More importantly, how you can target a longer pips, a longer volume of the market. How you can have a sniper hunting, how you can target a longer pips on the market. This can be used for gold and every other strategies, every other USD pair. Okay, every other pair. This strategy can be used for them. So follow me through and learn this strategy. This is what I use often, and of course I cash out about $1,000 or $2,000 recently from it. So I want to be showing you exactly how you can use it and how you can spot it in the market. Let's go into it, guys. Now, firstly, you want to try something like that, 1,000 pips, 500 pips, or for the week, or you just want to catch just a single pair and trade them for on OD for the whole of the week. Make a lot of profit for yourself and do not come back again till next week. These are the things you should be looking out for, and this is what you should do right now. Okay, just ensure that you're following me right away, guys. Let's go into it. Now, I catch these pips, USD CHF. I catched it for the whole week, and this is sold for the whole of the week. Market is very funny. At times, it could do a selling for the whole of the week. It could be a buy for the whole of the week. However, if you are not experienced enough in this field, you will be expecting you'll be thinking you want to buy today, sell tomorrow, and then tomorrow you want to buy. You just get yourself wrong. It's normal. But if you already spot it, if you know what you're doing, if you are more experienced and expert, you will know that this is exactly what you want to do. Now, see from the price action, this is an advanced price action, as I must say. See from the price action, we have the higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high, then the lower low. Then you can see this high could not take away this high. That means this was a lower high, which implies is what? That what this market has changed. It implies that what sellers are now coming into the market. It implies that what by intuition, it implies that what buyers are no longer can no longer have the power to extend. That is, they do not have that propensity, that capacity to push further, which implies that what sellers are in control and they are the ones that will come in and dominate the market. Immediately I saw that price action, I come into my lower time frame, which is 4 hour, to look for more confirmation. Then I saw this double top again, boom, with a huge mongoose. I entered around this point, yeah, around here. I'll show you what I entered, and I held it till. Can you see? As a matter of fact, this sell market is still going, and it did all of this for the whole of the week. Can you imagine? Market is so funny. That's about 170 pips just for 1 week. Can you imagine? That is it. I catched it from around here and I make it down there. Can you see? So that's just it. You don't even be thinking market will do buy. No, it was doing a buy, but that's just is a retest of a buy. It was more of sell, 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 sell. Let me show you another of it that is so similar to it. I catch another one here. I catch one here. I catch another one here. I'm trying to catch another one here. The third one here. I catch one here. I'm intending to touch the third one here. Then lastly, I'll be willing now to buy. I'm willing to buy because I know that it's time to. These are the things you should always know, because I just know because I am more experienced in this field. So I know that this is at this point you should be willing to buy. Let me show you why. I'm not convinced that it's going to be buying at that point, at that zone. The seller should be exhausted when you get to this point. I'm looking at a possible buy around here or here. At most, the seller should be exhausted because this is the last low we ever had. Let me shrink it for you. Can you see? That's the last low we ever had. So I'm expecting a reaction at this last low. If we don't buy here, we should be buying here. So I am just open. I'm much more open to do any of this inbox here, to do my buying in this inbox. But right now, I'm positioning for a sell. Let me show you another one that is similar to it and how you can catch liquidity in the market, how you can catch huge pips, and lots more in the market. Let me show you. Of course, I told us last week that this from here that I'm gonna be longing, and I long it, and this did for all of 1 week and some days. Can you see? I was even thinking to stop here because we have a stop here and we have a head here. We could do head and shoulder. Thank God I was open. I should tell you guys, be always open for the market. Just let them do what they want to do and be hard to hit. Don't determine that if you stopped here, if you get here to stop and sell. No, don't dictate to the market. You dare not to. You can get there and do whatever you want to do. You can get there and continue to buy. You can get there and continue to sell. You can get there and do whatever you want to do. So I was open-minded. That was how I was able to still milk something like this. When it got there, I never saw any move or any reaction or any signs of reversal. So I knew this market is still going to buy. Then I continued to buy till around this point. So I catch it from here to around this point. And this is liquidity. This is about, let me measure it. This is about 200 to that's about 300 pips, if I'm not mistaken. I tell you, yes, 300 pips, 290 something. Yes, 300 pips exactly. 300 pips. That's crazy, guys. 300 and something pips. That's crazy. I spotted it since last year. I told you people that I'll be buying from this point down to this point. I was even taking to this point. I was just about 200 pips. I never knew it could even extend to 300 pips plus. That was crazy, guys. How do I get it? How do I spot it? How do I know it's going to be doing something like that? How do I know there's going to be liquidity in this market? How do I know it's going to be pumping up so crazily? Now, look at it. From here, I saw that this is just what a simple. This is just what this is just what a simple. This is just where my this thing was before my trend line. This is just what a simple trend market. High, high, lower, low. High, high, lower, low. High, high, lower, low. High, high, lower, low. Then I knew aside from this point is what this area is my area of concentration. It's an area of attention, area of interest. I'm going to call it area of interest. So this point, so I knew that this point is going to be a reaction. Aside from that, I could see a pin bar. I could see some nice pin bar. I could see candlesticks. This one, two, three means a lot. It's an information for me. I told you guys that what every candle speaks a language. You should be able to understand candles languages. These are the things that we understood here. And also we have a template that can show you each of those candlestick languages for reversal. Comment below right now that I need the confirmation candlestick language. We will send it to your email. Comment right now or ask us. In case you are not on our community, I want to pass this across. Please and please look around this video and join the link in our community. We have a large family there where we drop daily signals and amazing ones. This very week we had about 14 to 15 signals. We killed everything. We milked last week we had about 27, 24, and we won all. We've been having a crazy winning streak since September. That is crazy, guys. So can I not join us and let's be part of this? Let's be fun together, guys. Okay? Thank you for doing that. It won't take you anything. Just smash it. Do it right now. Thank you, guys, for doing that. Awesome. So let's proceed. So I knew what this is a reaction. It's gonna be a reaction at this point, and this reaction should probably take away this eye or equal it or below it. But when it got to 1 year, I was expecting something to see a candlestick. I never see anything. I see the candlestick I was seeing was still positively for long. Then I continued the long. Also, I still further continued to long. Let me now show you how you can pick it. This one gave me about $5,000. So let me show you. Let me show you guys. Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. You can see now from here, market did a what we call price correction. Corrected this sell. It did what we call price correction. From this point, I look it down. That's about 200 pips plus. I still when I got here, I was expecting what this a reaction to sell, but it never gave me that form. Then I continued to buy, and also I was still able to milk it. Right now, it's coming down to this point now. Possible if this weak candle rejected and gave me some further confirmation, I will buy again. That is how to catch that's how to catch big moves. You come to the higher time frames, you see confirmations for once 4 hours giving confirmation, daily is giving confirmation for higher time frame for a buy. That buy was going to be a long buy because those are what those are big moves of the market. Big moves of the market. Am I talking to someone? Do you learn something today? If you have any questions, please do not let me show you where I entered. You want to show you where I entered? Okay. So in case you have any questions, and let me know how you catch your own move as well. Let me know how you catch your snapper entry. Which pair do you also trade? I trade more. I trade crosses pair or any other pair that give me best setup ever. I don't focus my attention on any specific pair. Let me know the kind of pair you trade and you use to catch long liquidity in the comment section. Thank you once again, everyone, for joining me. And of course, do have a wonderful week ahead. Thanks and God bless you. Peace out. Bye for now, guys.